last part of this is just writing a system of inequalities from a word problem. There is no solving that you need to do. There is no graphing that you need to do. You just need to be able to write your inequalities. Okay. I would highly recommend that for help, you go back and look at your 7-4 notes because these inequalities will look just like those, except instead of equal signs, we need inequality symbols. Okay. So we have that Pizza Palace charges $1 for vegetable toppings and $2 for meat toppings. John wants a pizza with less than 5 toppings and has $10 to spend. Write a system of inequalities to represent this situation. So I've got $1 for vegetable toppings and $2 for meat toppings. So that's $1 for vegetables and $2 for meats. Now, when you continue reading, it says John wants a pizza with less than 5 toppings and has $10 to spend. This is $1 and this is $2. So which number needs to go with those? The 5 toppings or the $10? It should be the $10 because dollar, dollar, dollar. So it's going to be 10. But now you need to figure out what inequality symbol goes with that. So what does it say about the 10? It says that he has $10 to spend. If you have $10 to spend, can you spend more or can you spend less than what you have? You can spend less. Now, if you have $10, do you have to spend less, or is it possible for you to spend exactly 10? It is possible to spend exactly 10. So if you're talking about spending money, you should use a less than or equal to sign for that inequality. Okay? So there's your first one. Now, I have used the $1, I have used the $2, and I've used the $10. All that I see left for numbers is just 5. I don't have any other numbers. So if you recall, this is where 7-4 would be useful. This is talking about the toppings. Well, your toppings are vegetable toppings and meat toppings. Together, it says he wants a pizza with less than 5 toppings. So all of his vegetable and his meat toppings should be less than 5. And that's all you have to do, just set them up. No solving, no graphing. Make sure your inequality symbol matches with your number. Okay, so pay attention to what it says about that inequality. Our next one, we've got that the girls soccer team is doing a bake sale for a fundraiser. They're selling cookies for $3 and brownies for $4. They have 150 baked goods to sell and want to make more than $500. We're going to write a system of inequalities to represent this. So let's put all of our money together first. $3 for cookies and $4 for brownies. And then it says we've got $500 we're working with. What does it say? It says, and wants to make more than $500. The next one is all of our baked goods together. So our cookies plus our brownies. It says they have 150 baked goods to sell. So that's kind of like the money that we had to spend. Can they sell more than they have? No. Could they sell exactly how many they have? Yes. So their cookies and their brownies should be less than or equal to the amount that they have. Okay? That's all you have to do. Money goes with money. Pay attention to the wording or the words or the phrase that it says about that number. And then your other things go together, your two variables and your other number. Pay attention to what it says about that number. Your inequality signs will most likely not match. Okay? They could be the same, but they also could be different.